Hey guys, it's Tom with drpromotions.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install a share funnel so you can get your website up and running right away and begin driving new patients to your practice. So when you install the share funnel, this is what you'll be getting. This right here is a funnel, and each one of these pages, these opt-in pages, these are different landing pages that you can use with different offers. These thank you pages are each associated with the single opt-in page. So let's go and take a look at what we have. Okay, so here's an example of one of your funnels. And this is what you'll be getting when you install these share funnels. So go ahead and test these out. I'll include the links. Here's another. And here's another. So you're getting all three of these different pages just by installing this one share funnel. Okay, so to get started, just go ahead and click the link to the share funnel that I've provided you, and that'll take you right to the page on ClickFunnels. Okay, so once you go to that link, you're going to see on the bottom, it's going to show you each step in the funnel. Gives you a preview of what you'll be getting here. And you will need to sign up for ClickFunnels. It's going to ask you if you're a member yet. If you aren't, you can use this link to use a free 14-day trial. And that's one of the great parts about ClickFunnels is by using that link that I gave you, you can get that free 14 days to try it out risk-free. Okay, so on the next page, it's going to take you to a page that's asking you about your free trial and your billing information. Now, you can use this plan right here, limited share funnels only, to go ahead and get started using the funnels that I gave you. Now, you can sign up for ClickFunnels or get the Edison suite, which you don't really need today, or ClickFunnels. You could just use the limited share funnels, but ClickFunnels is an amazing tool. It's basically your marketing in a box. You can use it to set up a website quickly. It's optimized as a funnel for your business. So you can easily create funnels using their drag and drop interface. And what is a funnel? It's basically a series of pages that people will be able to navigate through in order to achieve an objective or a goal that you have for an action that you want them to take. And the reason ClickFunnels is so effective is it allows you to A/B test every single page to ensure you're getting the most bang for your advertising dollar. Now, A and B testing is pretty much always what makes or breaks a campaign. Everything should be tested. Your ads, your funnels, every single step of your funnel, your copy, your headlines, everything needs to be tested to ensure that you are going to run a successful campaign. Now, split testing can make the difference. It's the difference between maybe a campaign for a page that gets 0 or 1% conversions versus a campaign that makes 20% conversions. And someone who's a professional and advertiser with a lot of experience will split test everything. That's the difference between a professional and a rookie. So even if you sign up for the limited share funnels today, you want to learn how to market really well and get the best tool for your business, I would really recommend signing up and learning ClickFunnels. It has an amazing community, an amazing tool, so the sky's really the limit for your business. Okay, now once you finish that step, you will be able to access the funnel that I gave you. Now at the top, click on Funnels, click on Browse Funnels, and here's the funnel. Okay, so the way this works is each link right up here, this is going to be the landing page. So each of these different steps will have its own landing page, so each opt-in. And feel free to use the one that works best for you. Now these links are customizable. If you have a WordPress site, it's very easy to integrate these. So for example, if you had the website East Coast Chiropractor, and you wanted this link to maybe be East Coast Chiropractor / back offer or something like that, that's very easy to do. Something people often do also is they buy their own domain right through ClickFunnels. So if you buy your own domain through ClickFunnels, these links are very easy to customize. And it's actually a good idea to buy your link through ClickFunnels. Everything is very easy to set up. You get your SSL certificate for trust. And to do that, go to the top under Account, click Domains. Click on Add New Domain. And you can choose a domain. If you have an existing domain, it's very easy to connect it to ClickFunnels. It'll show you the instructions once you click on that use an existing domain link. If you click choose a domain, you can be inventive. You want to choose something that implies that the customers are getting a deal or some kind of offer, maybe East Coast chiropractor deals or good health deals, anything like that could be used. You can be clever here. Now, if you buy your domain and you want to change the links, you can do that right up here under funnel step settings. So if I wanted to change the link to the landing page here, just click on this gear icon. The path would be the path to this page, so you can edit that here. If you want to split test, maybe you want to try changing your headline or your offer or anything about that page, you can click a variation right here. You can create a duplicate page and then you can edit it. All right, and then when we send the traffic to this link right up here, it's going to split it between these two pages, and then we can see which one's getting the best traffic and the best results. And once you see that information, you can click on declare as winner, and it will get rid of that other page. It'll archive it down here, so if you do want to see it again, you can. But if you declare it as a winner, it'll start sending all your traffic to that page, and then you can continue split testing. Now, to see which page is winning, you would simply click on stats right up here, and you can click on this arrow, and you can see which one is winning, the control or the variation. So the control would be the first one, the variation is the one that we created from the duplicate. Okay, now we're going to go through some other important steps when using ClickFunnels. So the automations, now these are the emails and the texts that go out once a customer opts in to our offer. So to get there, click on automation. And it will be important to edit these for your own business. Right now they're branded for this fake business we created. So these ones right here are the emails, these here are the texts. Now to edit the emails, click on edit. And it will ask you to provide an account SMTP settings. So there are two things you need. So if you want to be able to send emails, you do need a SendGrid account. SendGrid is a service that delivers marketing emails through the world's largest cloud-based email delivery platform. So by integrating your SendGrid account, you can begin to use these confirmation emails, and they're very easy. So to get a SendGrid account and add it to your ClickFunnels, click on Account, go to Integrations. And over here on the left, actually, you'd want to click Outgoing SMTP. And you can click on the SendGrid integrations for the instructions on setting ClickFunnels up with SendGrid. It's actually very simple. And I will create a separate video with instructions on how to integrate your SendGrid account. The next thing under automation is your SMS messages. So those text messages that the customers get when they opt in. So this one goes out pretty much immediately after they opt in. This one's a one-day reminder. So to edit these, click Edit. And you will need a Twilio SMS integration for this. So you can't just send text messages from websites for the most part. Most of the time you do need Twilio, and Twilio is what most people use to do that. I will include some links for SendGrid and for Twilio below this video. And I will create another video demonstrating how to set up Twilio and how to use Twilio. Okay, so once you sign up for those services, to edit your emails, click Edit. And this is it right below. So you can change this image at the top, change all the names, change the offer, change whatever you'd like. It's highly customizable. The from name, you can put whatever you like here. For the subject, we recommend the brackets with the capitalization for some reason gets a lot of opens, so it gets a lot of attention, so we like that one. And this is just would be your SendGrid account here. And you can set your email delay right up here. And right now, if you leave it blank, it sets it to immediately, and we recommend that. So if you want to edit the text messages, click edit right here. Very easy to do. Put the message in right here. Keep it fairly short and simple. You can change the delay, make it blank if you want it to be immediate. And once you're done with that, you can begin running traffic to your link right up here. And you can start getting your new customers. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to edit the funnels so you can customize them for your practice. So click edit. Alright, so this is ClickFunnels. This is probably the best drag and drop interface on the planet. So first you notice we have a background image. For the background image, we recommend maybe showing something really from your practice. Make it specific to your business. It helps you connect with the customer. It helps build trust. Maybe pictures of your employees, pictures from around the office. To change the background, click on settings, go to background, and you can select a background. So find the image on your computer right here. You can change the image position. We have all the settings up set really well. You can change these if you'd like. You can even use a video if you want. So next, you can customize anything in here. So to do that, hover your mouse. You can change this image. Click here, toggle the image, find one from your computer. Change the image height and width if you need to. Right now we have it so it's kind of opaque. You can kind of see through it. It has kind of a cool effect. You can change this text just by double clicking in here. Same in here if you want to change the value of the package. These are little input fields. Now these are all set up pretty well. I don't know if I would change these right now. If you do want to add more fields, you can feel free to do that if you want to ask for address or anything else like that. To customize this button, just click on it. You can change this button text, the subtext. Okay, and that's pretty much it for this page. Once they submit this, it automatically takes them to that next step in the funnel, to that thank you page. We would also recommend adding a privacy policy and a terms of use page. Okay, we're going to go ahead and exit out of here. Okay, next is the thank you page. Go ahead and click edit. Alright, so same thing, you can change the background. You can change this image. You can see all these settings over here. It's very simple to use, very intuitive. That's something that's great about ClickFunnels. You can change all of this text. Right now, you'll notice it says desktop only. Here's why that is. If you change it to mobile, the size is a little different. So here's how we did that. So if you double click on here, and if you click on settings, we added a box here that's just desktop. And then if you go to mobile only, that's how you change that. So right now it's set to desktop only if I wanted that to be mobile only. Now the reason we have it like this is it's actually two different boxes. This one will show on mobile only. They're just different size fonts, different size text. The desktop one, if you notice when you're trying to optimize for mobile versus desktop, the desktop one was kind of too large for mobile, so we just put them in as separate boxes. Okay, so make sure you change your codes, change all of this stuff. We have a countdown timer to build scarcity, and that kind of gives the customer incentive to call you quickly. And before they forget about it, sometimes people sign up for these things, they're all interested, and then they forget about it the next day or something comes up. So by putting this, if you call and schedule within the next 10 minutes, we'll add an additional 15-minute massage. Change the offer if you don't want to give another 15-minute massage. You can offer something else, maybe a free exam or something like that. Just make sure the offer is good enough that it does make the customer want to act quickly. Down here's a timer. This will count down from 10 minutes. To change those settings, just click on it. You'll see that you can toggle all those numbers here. You can toggle the fonts, everything like that. Under themes, and then under advanced, you can change some more advanced settings. Okay, and once you're done, make sure you click save up here on the top right. You can preview it, make sure it looks good. Okay, and once you're done, click on exit. Okay, and that is how you customize your pages. Okay, so these were our free funnels that we are giving away. We hope you like them. If you like what we offer and you're interested in us running your Facebook ads for you to start driving leads to your business, just let us know. Our website is www.drpromotions.com. If you click on contact us, we can set up a time to talk, and you can feel free to shoot us a message on Facebook Messenger or through here. And if you have any questions, just leave us a comment here and we can try to address those in our next video. Thank you.